Even though ABC Enterprises is a large corporation, you'd never know it from the way they use their telematics data. They operate like a group of smaller, independent companies, each with its own individual challenges. For example, Jason, the operations manager, can't locate an available member of his team out in the field for an emergency response. In the HR department, Susan is trying to find out how much benefit they get from the company's driver training expenditure. Samuel, the finance director, wants up-to-date information on the activity of company vehicles so he can make smarter decisions about their use. Meanwhile, Richard is the company's fleet manager. He's in charge of the cars, long-haul trucks and local delivery vans. He has plenty of telematics data, but he's got his own problems. He's swamped with requests for information from all the other departments. As a result, he's become a bottleneck. He feels like a junior data analyst rather than a manager overseeing the efficient operation of his fleet. It looks as if it's going to be another busy day for Richard. As usual, he's got several vans out making regional deliveries. But he hasn't heard from one of his drivers for over an hour. It's an important delivery and the customer is furious. Richard and the other department heads realise there's a serious problem. So they share their concerns with IBM, their consulting partner. IBM goes to work immediately, collating, integrating and analysing the potential of the Internet of Things, making sure it gets to the right people at the right time, company-wide. Existing systems and business processes are examined and optimised to take full advantage of these new capabilities. The results are nothing short of game-changing. Richard now has real-time analytics on the location and status of the company's entire fleet, as well as continual updates on traffic, weather and any other conditions that can affect workflow. He can monitor his assets with greater accuracy, scheduling maintenance in advance rather than reacting to emergencies. Predictive maintenance will save his company both time and money. In HR, Susan now has a solid grasp of the financial results of the driver training program. She can track the monetary benefits of having trained and motivated personnel. She'll even be able to identify the best drivers so the company can operate at peak efficiency. Jason can now respond to sales opportunities as they happen. With IBM, Richard can now function as a fleet manager. Plus, all the relevant stakeholders, from marketing to HR to finance, now have access to relevant fleet data through seamless integration with their own operations and systems. And most important, with up-to-the-minute communications, the company's able to keep their customers happy through digital operations. At IBM, we're building a smarter planet.